Aston SPIRIT Black Bundle Review, from muddy audio to Broadcast-Studio-Klarheit.
You're 3 takes deep into what should have been the perfect vocal session, but every playback sounds like you're recording through a pillow, dull, distant, lifeless. Last Tuesday, I listened to a vocalist redo the same verse 6 times, not because of performance, but because her budget condenser couldn't capture the warmth her voice actually had. The frustration was visible. Does that sound painfully familiar? It's not just one ruined take. It's the hours spent fighting EQ curves, trying to breathe life into flat recordings. It's the creeping doubt when clients compare your work to polished studio productions. I watched a producer spend an entire afternoon correcting plosives and room rumble that shouldn't have been there. That visceral, sinking feeling never fades. You deserve clarity without the battle. Don't just pick any condenser microphone. Make sure it has switchable polar patterns so you never experience locked-in limitations that force you to buy 3 separate mics again. The Aston Microphone's SPIRIT Black Bundle changes the entire equation. This isn't a lucky find. It's a thoughtfully engineered system combining a multi-pattern condenser, integrated Swift Shield pop filter, and professional shock mount in one striking black package. 3 polar patterns mean cardioid isolation for tight vocals, omnidirectional room capture for ensemble work, and figure of 8 for duets or mid-side stereo techniques. The 1-inch gold-evaporated capsule delivers warmth and presence that rivals microphones costing double. Real story, a session engineer told me she nearly missed a podcast deadline when her setup picked up every desk vibration. She switched to the SPIRIT Black with a Swift Shield shock mount. Perfect isolation, clean takes, deadline met with time to spare. The stainless steel waveform mesh head protects the capsule while naturally diffusing plosives before they reach the diaphragm. And there's more proof coming.
6 months in, and the SPIRIT Black doesn't just work, it's become the permanent go-to choice. Mornings start differently now. Setup takes 15 seconds. Recordings sound broadcast ready without corrective EQ, and the confidence that comes with professional audio changes everything. A renowned audio engineering magazine editor stated, "The SPIRIT consistently delivers a professional, finished sound that requires less EQ in the mix. Its build quality is exceptional for the price point." An everyday podcaster shared, "Listeners commented, unprompted, that my audio quality improved dramatically. My untreated spare bedroom doesn't sound like a bathroom on the recording anymore." But what about durability concerns? Stainless steel construction means this microphone survives the real world. Accidental bumps, daily mounting, years of studio use without a single scratch. The Swift Shield's replaceable pop filter screen addresses hygiene across multiple vocalists. And if you're wondering about the learning curve, there isn't one. Switch patterns with a simple toggle, engage the pad for loud sources, activate the high-pass filter for rumble. It's completely intuitive. Studios and creators worldwide are adding the SPIRIT Black to their permanent collections. Real traction, not manufactured hype. Have you experienced the frustration of fighting your own recording tools instead of creating freely with them? The Aston Microphone's SPIRIT Black Bundle is more than equipment. It's an investment in recordings you're genuinely proud to release. Growing numbers of professionals, podcasters, and vocalists are making the switch because clarity, versatility, and build quality genuinely matter in the final result. Results may vary based on your specific environment and technique, but the difference is immediately audible from the first session. Check the link in the description or pinned comment to experience the bundle that transforms how your recordings sound. It's time. Click and hear the clarity today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.